Good morning, second graders. Today we're on page 141 of your student journal, and we're on lesson 12. Okay, so today you're going to need your ruler again. So we've been using our rulers a lot. You might want to pause the video and go get your ruler because that's something that you're going to need. If you don't have one, then you can try and use, remember, our body measurements that you could refer to and use. Okay, our goal or our objective today is, today I will compare lengths of two objects by counting on. Okay, so yesterday we did this counting on strategy, and we said it's counting up from a number. So yesterday when we did it, we used a number line, which was really good because it helped us see it. Today they're not going to give us a number line to count on. So today we could do some different things. We could draw a number line, or we could try counting on using our fingers. So I'm going to show you a different strategy. If I needed to go from 5 to 11, if I wanted to count on from 5 to 11, okay, I'm going to use my hands, and I'm going to start with 5, and then my first one that I would count on would be 6. So ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's where I would stop. So notice when I did that. Did I say 5? No, because I was already at 5. So my first count would be to 6. So let's do that again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many counts did I have? I had 6 counts. Okay, let's try another one, boys and girls. What if I was going from 4 to 9? Okay, so I'm not going to say 4 because I'm already at 4. So my first count is going to be to 5. So ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I counted on 5. So that was 5 counts. Okay, let's try one more of those. What if I was going from 2 to 9? 2 to 9. Okay, so imagine my number line like yesterday. I'm already at 2, so my first count is going to be to 3. So ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I counted on 7. Okay, so I had 7 counts. So I think that's a good strategy today, so we don't have to draw our number lines. Okay, our next vocab word was just compare, which we had talked about. And then our steps today are we're going to measure two objects using the same unit. And when same unit, they mean the same measurement. We're going to find the difference and complete the comparison statements. Okay, so what does this look like, boys and girls? I'm going to move this and grab my red pen if you want to just watch for a moment. Okay, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit today because I have a big page to show you. Okay, ready? My first problem says, measure the difference in wingspan of the butterfly and dragonfly in inches. Okay, so that's an important thing I hear is inches. They want me to use inches. So today, I'm going to actually measure them. So remember with my ruler, I'm going to start at the dash, and yep, I still have the green because I'm filming all my videos at once. Okay, and I'm going to use my inch side. So let's look at my dragonfly. My dragonfly looks like it's 3 inches. Boys and girls, if you heard that accident, we're going to ignore that and move on. Okay. My butterfly looks like it's 4 inches.
That was an accident.
Okay, now if I was going to count on from 3 to 4, what would I do? I would not say 3, I would go to 4. So that's a really easy one. I only had one count. Okay, ready? So I could say for this one, it says the wingspan of the blank is longer. So which one was longer? The butterfly. So the wingspan of the butterfly is 1 inch, because it was one count, longer than the wingspan of the dragonfly. Okay, the wingspan of the dragonfly is 1 inch shorter than the wingspan of the butterfly. Okay, so let's try another one, boys and girls. This one is a giraffe is 16 feet tall. A lion is 4 feet tall. Which one is taller and how much taller? Okay, so this one I don't have to measure. I don't need this because they told me how tall they are. So they told me that my giraffe is 16 feet. And they told me my lion is 4 feet. Okay, so I'm gonna count on. Now this one's gonna be hard because you're gonna see I'm gonna kind of run out of fingers. But I'm gonna do my best. Okay, so if I'm gonna have 4, what would my first count be? The first loop on my number line would have been to 5. So ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if you noticed, I had to do one hand, and then I had to do 2 more fingers. So I had 12 counts between those numbers. Okay, so let's see our sentence. The blank is blank feet taller. So which one's taller? So the giraffe is 12, because my count's feet taller than the lion. Okay, ready? The lion is 12 feet shorter than the giraffe. Okay, boys and girls, let's try some together. I'm gonna put my red pen away and grab my green pen. And let's look at our first one. Our first one says, on page 142, measure to find the difference in the length of the candy cane and lollipop in inches. Okay, so this one tells us we have to measure. So we have to figure out how long they are. So I'm going to use my inch side, and I'm going to start at my line. So let's see how tall our candy cane is. I'm seeing that my candy cane is 4 inches. Let's see how tall our lollipop is. Our lollipop is 5 inches. Okay, so that's a pretty easy one to count on. If I'm at 4, my next count would be 5. So I only had 1 count for those. Okay, so now we have to fill in our sentences. The blank is longer. So which one should we put there? We're going to say our lollipop. The lollipop is 1 inch longer than the candy cane. Okay, the candy cane is 1 inch shorter than the lollipop. Okay, boys and girls, let's try another one together. So let's turn our page. This one says the pencil is 15 centimeters long. The chocolate is 11 centimeters long. Which one is longer and how much longer? Okay, so our pencil is 15 centimeters and our chocolate is 11 centimeters. So this one I didn't need my ruler for because they told me my measurements. So we just need to count on. We're going to start with our smaller number. So remember, here I'm ready to go. I don't say 11 because my first count's going to be 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 4 counts. Okay, so now let's fill in our sentences. The blank is longer. Which one should we put there? The pencil. So the pencil is, and how much longer? It was 4 counts, so it's 4 centimeters longer than the chocolate. Okay, the chocolate is 4 centimeters shorter than the pencil. Okay, boys and girls, what you're going to be doing now is you're going to be doing page 144 on your own, 145, 146, and one more page, 147. All right, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.